Hello guys, if you wanna check your specification in Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, for the first you have to go to the settings and now click on the About Phone. And as you can see, currently there is options like IMEI, serial number, model number, but there is also the software information like the One UI version, Android version. And of course we can also go to the battery information and the status like Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi, IP address, and also our phone status. So yeah, this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.